Welcome back.
No! We have come across a creation that should not exist.
Who let this?
Under no circumstances should it exist.
Who did this?
Therefore, the only logical thing to do
Is make it.
is make it.
We're making mug pizza.
Pizza in a mug.
Ooh, you've heard of mug cakes, mug pasta?
Mugs in general. Just mugs. Mug. But consider,
Pizza.
put a pizza in it.
You ever craving a pizza? Try it in a mug.
Okay, this is it's a really simple recipe. Like it's like 4 ingredients or something, but it's just not. It cannot be good.
Flour.
Cheese. Milk.
Milk.
Please don't spill it everywhere. Oh my god.
Olive oil.
Oil. And now you're supposed to use like pizza sauce. You're supposed to use pizza sauce, obviously. I don't have that, therefore ketchup.
As if this couldn't get any worse.
Because we're doing this to ourselves.
We read one review, and all of them were, disgusting.
All the reviews, there was like 4 reviews were like, it's disgusting. Tried it a few times, it's terrible. What is this? And it's just
And we're using
done
ketchup.
nothing but make me want to make it more. So...
Showed you the ingredients. We will not be putting it in the description because we're linking the recipe as this should be demolished.
It's simply just not made for human consumption.
You're supposed to have baking powder, but we have self-raising flour. So...
Alright, let's go. 4 tablespoons of flour. That's proportionally a lot of flour.
Let's debate the comments.
No! Okay.
What is this? That is not a tablespoon.
That is a tablespoon.
As someone who took...
It's a dessert spoon. This is a dessert spoon. That's a tablespoon. Fight me.
No, I will.
Let's go. No, give me my spoon.
This, if someone handed me...
She dropped out of home ec. I am still in home ec. I have the right to make this comment.
But...
This is a dessert spoon.
Oh, I dare to eat this. Oh.
Don't eat it. Don't do it.
Boop. Do you want to do one?
Yeah.
No. How much is, like, what is... You did the last one.
Was that... Okay.
I did 2. You're supposed to mix the dry ingredients. We only have 1.
No, there's salt.
How much salt?
Oh my god, that is so much flour. That takes up like half the cup. This ain't right.
How much salt?
I'm gonna.
Just salt.
Just salt. Just salt.
No. Just.
Alright, that's enough. Jesus Christ. Alright.
And then you gotta mix. Oh. Don't spill it.
Don't spill it or we'll all die because this is probably radioactive.
I think that's mixed.
Close enough. Like, it's not gonna be good anyway, so it's not like...
Taste it to see if you taste the salt.
We need milk and oil.
We had milk first.
Yes, dude, because it will
How
mess up
much
the
milk?
3 tablespoons.
We don't have a tablespoon.
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah.
We literally just had this discussion.
Can I do oil? How much oil? A tablespoon. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Stop pressuring me.
3, that's a lot of milk.
We put in 4 tablespoons
of
flour. What do you mean? It's gonna be way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
It might be disgusting.
I'm not okay with this.
I think you had that's 4. You just added an extra one.
Do you think I'm gonna have to go all the way to...
No,
there's already flour on this. No, because we need to use the spoon. I need to go to the sink.
You need to drink it.
I need to go to the sink.
You need to drink it.
No, because we need to use the spoon.
I can't do.
I just lunged at the sink.
Let me do the oil. I feel like I should drink it.
Don't stop drinking things.
Ooh.
Don't worry about it.
I should probably. Do you think like added more.
It would be worse than it already is going to be.
Ew.
Ewy.
And
That's icky.
Do you mix it?
Yeah.
It just says.
Hold on. Do we? Yes.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Do you need a fork? Oh god. I don't even hear this. Oh, that's a threat.
I so want to eat this.
I mean, it's gonna taste horrible. It's literally
Because it
just,
has no egg.
it's literally just flour. Like, it's flour and milk. I told you, don't look at me like you're surprised it wasn't nice.
Oh, put that in the camera. Listen to that.
Oh shit.
That's a good pussy,
Yes.
don't like. You're so fine. You're so fine.
Look at this. Look at this. Is this what it's supposed?
We actually just looked up the recipe. We didn't actually watch the video.
All the pictures that were under, there was like pictures of like your recipe underneath, and they all look dreadful.
It looks so nasty. It is gonna be nasty. Like
It's gonna be so nice.
it's also supposed to have pepperoni, but who the fuck has?
Who has mini pepperonis just in their house?
No one. Who's snacking on pepperoni?
Who's snacking on mug pizza?
Who is this for? That's what I want to know.
Who said yes to this?
If you like this, we'll do more mug recipes, but obscure ones. You're not like the brown.
We will find the strangest mug recipes we can.
and eat them. Oh my god, mug quiche.
Probably exists. Alright, this is definitely too much milk to try and spread like ketchup on. It's
Can I spread the ketchup? Well then can I do the cheese?
yeah, no, you can spread the ketchup because I want to do the cheese.
Could you just put loads of cheese on it?
There was no measurement for cheese.
Oh, it's just
And that
cheese.
is because cheese is a measurement in itself. When someone says how much cheese, you respond yes. That is the only way you deal with cheese. Oh no! Oh no! I knew in my heart I should not have trusted handing ketchup to this one.
It smells like ketchup.
That's because you literally just filled them up with ketchup. You literally just filled.
It smells like ketchup. It stinks. What is ketchup? Like what?
It's tomato. What do you mean?
Sugar and ketchup?
Yes.
Let me tell you.
Ketchup is not good for you.
Water, who's that? Water, sugar, vinegar, salt, and what is flavoring?
It's a thing that makes
You can-
it taste.
You can smell the vinegar in it.
Sure. Alright. Cheese time.
Cheese.
Or that's some carrot juice.
No, not carrot juice time. Cheese time!
Cheese time!
Cheese time! Cheese. We actually don't. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, are we?
Probably not as much, but yeah.
Can you please put loads of cheese on that? So they should. No, put more. More. If we want this to be any type of good.
If we want this to be edible, we need.
No, we need to put you just. I don't know how this is gonna be cooked.
Cheese.
Like,
True.
because it's-
You see, we're covering it with cheese, but it needs to try and get to the bottom.
No, I think I was told in home ec, if I recall from Miss Quirk's home ec class, the UV rays go through it. Microwave time.
I'm not, you know what, I'm not gonna question you. If you say so, I believe
Do
you.
we bring this with us?
You're coming with us.
Oh, I get to bring it.
What do you mean, where is my microwave?
I found microwave.
Kitchen.
You saw it last time.
Look, we're putting it in the
You
microwave.
gotta do a POV.
POV, you are mocha pizza. Wait, no, hold on. No. POV, you are mocha pizza.
30 seconds. He looks the same.
Don't
It's
so. Why is it so runny? Like I know it's majority cheese. I make good life choices. It's hot. Oh. All right. Real quick, would you like to? Would you like to? It looks good because it's just cheese.
Like the cheese makes it looks good.
It's lying to us. I know it's lying to us. Is that clean for you?
Yeah, I got 2 clean ones.
Okay.
Well, I got 1 clean one already.
Oh no!
It's squished.
It made a squish. I need to try and get down to the dough.
Oh no! What's that?
That noise!
What is the bird noise?
Suction. That's the
Oh! Use scissors. Scissors.
This seems unsafe.
We did put a lot of cheese on
This seems unsafe. Do it. Come on. Any minute now. Any minute now. Ah! Well, I'm not that tall. Oh, I gotta do it like that. I'm just gonna.
Do you want to take a bite at the same time?
If you want.
I don't.
You should try not spilling it. I don't know if I actually got down to the dough. Oh, I might have.
I did.
It's a little bit of dough. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I made a mistake.
Alright, you ready? You know what? I kind of like it.
That cheese is so much to swallow. You know what?
It's really nice. I actually really like that.
It's must have we tried it. I could see myself.
I'm actually very surprised.
You can really taste the ketchup.
Oh god, yeah.
That's the one thing I would say.
That is because we used ketchup though, and not pizza sauce.
Yeah, you can really taste that ketchup.
Also,
Well, it's
the
not
cheese.
nasty.
The cheese is so stringy. Alan.
There's a little salt in it. So you gotta take it from the. You go right from the bottom.
I'm trying. There is a lot of cheese on it.
We may have put a little bit too much cheese.
No. There's no such thing as too much cheese.
Who thought? Like who? It's like someone had to measure this. Someone had to try and error that.
Someone put effort into coming up with pizza mug.
Do you know what? Do you know why ours is better than the other review? Because we use ketchup. I definitely think it's the marinara sauce. Like the. Cause I can see myself wanting more of the ketchup than the marinara sauce.
I'm done.
Hear that? Like, do you? No,
Stop!
Look.
Oh my god. I'm still choking on cheese.
No, you gotta do like the food reviews. You know, they're like.
They're like, well, look at it.
You gotta get cheese. Can't get cheese. Oh.
Mistakes have been made. You know what?
Don't do that.
This is dangerous. This is actually a weapon.
I do want to get the taste of my ramen, but it's edible.
True.
I feel like Gordon Ramsay would like it.
Someone hit up Gordon Ramsay.
Oh my god, restaurant idea. Oh, food.
Only mug. A restaurant when they only serve you meals in mugs. Oh, stop.
Do you
Alright.
Do you know that like thing of Demi Lovato? What's your favorite dish? I like mugs. Demi Lovato would love that. They would love that.
I refuse to let anyone else eat any more of this.
You gotta eat that. Dessert.
Dessert is just flour and milk. No, dessert is our actual pizza. pizza. We have an actual pizza to eat now.
I don't know if I can.
Yeah. Oh, this is a poor idea.